Welcome to Marine Data Solutions. In today's video, we'll show you how to optimize your yacht's internet with Starlink and why choosing professional installers is critical. Reliable, high-speed internet is no longer a luxury at sea, it's a necessity. Whether it's for navigation, communication, or entertainment, staying connected is essential. That's where Starlink Maritime comes in. Powered by low Earth orbit satellites, Starlink delivers fast, low-latency internet, even in the most remote areas. But installing this advanced technology isn't a simple plug-and-play, it requires expertise. At Marine Data Solutions, we are certified Starlink installers, and we go beyond just installation. Our team integrates Starlink seamlessly with your yacht's existing electronics, ensuring it works flawlessly alongside your other systems. We also offer our proprietary MDS blender technology, which combines multiple internet sources like Starlink and 5G, providing a reliable, high-speed connection. Whether you're working remotely, streaming, or gaming, the blender ensures smooth performance, even during high-traffic activities. Choosing professional installers like Marine Data Solutions guarantees that your Starlink system is tailored to the unique challenges of the marine environment. From conducting thorough site surveys to selecting the right mounting position and testing under real conditions, we ensure your system is optimized for peak performance, no matter the weather or location. Ready to take your yacht's internet to the next level? Contact Marine Data Solutions today and let us help you stay connected, wherever your journey takes you.